Alright guys, it's we got the engine taken care of on the mini quad. It's the next day. And now we're going to go through the carburetor. This is a different style. I've never really seen this style. But you can see this is a vent tube. Does this start tearing her down? Alright. Choke. Doesn't seem like there's much to these guys. Let's see if we got something small enough to get in there. Remember, the tongs are down. Tongs towards the carburetor. Well, that needle wouldn't have done anything. Huh? What else should we take apart on this? There's not much to this guy. That's pretty decent. See how easy this will come out. Oh yeah, I'd say she's plugged. Pretty solid, boys. The emulsion tube. What else can we take out of this? Okay, see if it turns in. Half. 1. Half. 2. Half. 3. If you were going to say 3 turns in. What else do we got? Leave that plate in there, eh? That's pretty good. The ball, it's got quite a bit of caca. A neat little float. I can't remember how that sat in there. If it even matters. Okay, that's pretty straightforward, eh? And we'll worry about this guy after. See if we get fuel coming through that or not. Okay, let me, you don't need to see me cleaning it. Obviously, it's pretty straightforward. You go in all the holes, you pick. I got an old gun cleaning kit from painting that I use with all the different little picks and brushes, and so you need some carb cleaner, you know. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so let me bring you back in here and yeah, it'll only be a minute. Okay guys, I got everything all cleaned up there, a little better anyway. It's not 100%, but for our purposes, I think this is going to be just fine. Yeah, even this it'll get fucking cleaned up. Alright, let's start with this guy first. Where did he go? Oh no. Hey. What do we say, 3.5 turns? One, half, 1, half, 2.5. So we'll do 2.5 on that. We have to adjust, we will, eh? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay. The needle in there in the seat. Just don't understand how that works. I guess if I didn't understand how it works, I shouldn't be tearing it apart, eh? Tink, tink, tink. Tink, 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 tink. Perfect. The emulsion tube all cleaned right out. Unlike last time when I pulled it out, it's just, they need to be snug. They don't need to be reefed on. It's just brass and going into aluminum. And they won't come apart. Okay. I guess I missed this part. Just it for the mount. This the fish left in the lake. This bike won't be poaching much longer, but we're going to make sure that they have a little bit more fun on her. Let's say that'll suffice. Okay. I'm going to assume that's how the bowl goes. I'm sure these are the right screws. Oh, Yes, they are. Okay, I'm missing some hardware. I'm not sure if this is where this one goes, but okay, just 1 second. Okay, I dicked up. My mistake, my mistake. Found the screws. These were supposed to go in here, and these were supposed to go in here. I'm not struggling like a goof. Okay, like where did that washer fall? It just like fell right here. Okay. Here it is. Oh, let's go like this. Pretend like it never happened. Normally that wouldn't be a big deal, but I need that part to see if the float bowl sealing and doing that's what it's supposed to do. You know, it should be open. And that's closed. Open. Closed. Perfect. Just blow on that, right? Obviously, you gotta have your fuel shut off in the open position. But you blow in there and you can tell if the float's sealing or not. But yeah, this is going to be ready to go on to that little bastard that you can't see right now. Okay, I'll show you. This guy. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to mount this onto the engine. Maybe put the slide. Maybe I might put it in the engine tonight. I don't know, but we'll see how far we make it. But yeah, thanks again, guys. Hopefully you learned something for the China Quad, and hopefully it all works out for us here, eh? And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe it. If you find this video any kind of usefulness, probably not. Please subscribe. Please share it. Thumbs up. And please, please, please do not take anything I do as technical advice. I just learn as I go. That's all. Okay, guys. Anyway, take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Scott Distraught in the Struggling Goof Garage.